Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by e to the power of 40x on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of 40x. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equal to 40 e to the power of 40x ds. Because we don't have number 40 in here, so we divide both sides of number 40. So this one we change for u, and this one we change for u. So you got about u multiplied by u minus 1. This one in here, we change for du over 40. Next, I will put negative in here. That means this one you need to have negative in here. Because this is about negative number 1. This is about negative number 1. So negative number 1 multiplied by negative number 1. You will go about positive in here. Next, we need to add u in here. Later that, we need to minus u. This one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So you will got about 1 over u minus 1 over u minus 1 du. The integral of 1 over u, you got about ln of the absolute value of u. Similar for the second one. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Next, ln of e to the power of 40x. We can put 40x in here. And that's the final answer.